Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be planning in my classic Farmhouse Happy Planner for the week of October 22nd through the 28th. So let's see, here's last week. I already got my menu kind of figured out. We will fill this one out. Okay, and for this spread, I am still trying to use up my sticker kit stash. So I am going to be using a sticker kit from an Etsy shop called Sticker Bloom. And then I had some washi strips from Planner Kate that matched it. So we will get started. Get into some of my functional stickers that I like to use each week. This is in the Fun Kid sticker book. My son marches. I think we'll do the game day sticker down there. Okay, I am getting close here, guys. This is in the seasonal book. I'm going to take this sticker So yeah, I think that's it. And then I'll fill it in as the week goes. See how it looks in the planner. Yeah. Very pretty. It's great. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.